Namaskaram friends. So in this video I am going to talk about International Criminal Court. Why this court is situated, where this court is situated, what are its jurisdiction and why this court is formed. Because there are courts in different types of court in different types of country, and we also that at UN level International Court of Justice is also there. So what is the role of International Criminal Court? What are its jurisdiction and which types of crime are dealt in it, and what are the limitations of this code? Okay, and who are the participating member in it, and who funded it, and which types of crime are reported under it, and where it is located. Okay, so we are going to talk very briefly about International Criminal Court. Okay, so International Criminal Court located in Hague, Netherlands. Okay, it is located in Hague. It is the court of last resort for prosecution of genocide, war crimes, and crime against humanity. So you can say for genocide, for war crimes, and for crime against humanity, ICC is the court of last resort, and it is situated in Hague. Okay, it is the first permanent treaty-based. That means it is come out of a treaty. So it's first permanent treaty-based international criminal court established to help end impunity for perpetrators. So it is a first permanent treaty-based international criminal court established to end, okay, to help end perpetrators. That means it helps to end impunity of the perpetrators of the most serious crimes of concern to the international community. So if any crime is of a grave concern to the international community, so this international criminal court is set up to help end. Okay, it is set up, it is, you can say, established to end the impunity of perpetrators who are involved with these heinous crimes, which are very grave concern for the international community. Its founding treaty from which it is emerged is called Rome Statute. Okay, entered into force on July 1st, 2002. So this statute is come into force in July 1, 2002. Okay, that means 20 years from now. Funding, who funded this International Criminal Court? Although the court's expenses are funded primarily by the state parties. So expenses of the court is primarily funded by the state parties who are member of International Criminal Court. It also receives voluntary contribution. It is mainly funded by the state party, but it also receives voluntary contribution from government, individuals, corporation, international organization, and other entities. Okay, so from government, from individual, from corporation, from international organization, from other entity, it voluntarily receives the contribution, but mainly, primarily, it is funded by the state members. India is a non-state party and non-signatory. Okay, so that means we are not part of it, and also we are not signed that treaty, that statute, or you can say that organization. So we are not party in it. That means we are not contributing into it. May individually we contribute, voluntarily contributed, but as a state party we are not contributing. So India is a non-state party and non-signatory. We not signed that statute, and also we are not a party in International Criminal Court. So what are the jurisdiction of ICC, International Criminal Court? So the ICC has a jurisdiction to prosecute individuals. ICC prosecute individuals for the international crime of genocide, crime against humanity, and war crimes. If any individual commit the crime like genocide or war crime or crime against humanity, so ICC prosecute that individual. Okay, so it is the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court. ICC is intended to complement existing national judicial system. It is not altogether different body. It complement it. ICC intended to complement the existing national judicial system. It complement the existing national judicial system, not altogether work differently or independently. So it intended to complement. Okay, ICC intended to complement the existing national judicial system, and it may therefore only exercise its jurisdiction when certain conditions are met. Okay, so it is not exercise this jurisdiction independently. So it intended to complement the existing national judicial system and therefore exercise its jurisdiction when certain conditions are not met. So what are these conditions? When national courts are unwilling or unable to prosecute criminals, when any national court of any country are unable or unwilling to prosecute any criminal, or when the United Nations Security Council or individual state refers situation to the court. So if UNSC, an individual country, referred to court to the ICC, or if any country unable or unwilling to prosecute any criminal, then ICC act on these matters. Okay. So I hope you understand about ICC, its role, its significance, its importance. Is it what are its jurisdiction and what types of crime are come into that in which ICC plays role. So I just summarize. So in this picture you can clearly see this is a room of ICC where judgment is given. So ICC International Criminal Court, India is a non-party and non-signatory. Primarily its member are funded, who funded it? Primarily its member, but also take voluntary contribution from government, individuals, corporation, international organization and other entities. It is situated, its headquarters is situated in Hague. It is come from the Rome Statute. Come into for this statute come into for July 1, 2002, and also deal with crime related to war crimes, genocide, and crime against humanity. It is intended to complement the national judicial system of countries, and so its jurisdiction is certain condition. If UNSC or individual country, or if any country unwilling or unable to prosecute any criminal, then ICC work on these matters. Okay. So I hope you love it, you enjoy it, you gain some perspective out of it. Now we are going to solve one question based on it. So this question is, consider the following statement regarding International Criminal Court ICC. ICC is governed by Vienna Convention, no Roman Statute. So this one is wrong. It investigates where warranted tries individuals charged with the grave crime of concern to the international community. Yes, it investigates and where warranted tries individuals charged with the grave crime of concern to the international community. Yes, the ICC exercises its jurisdiction when national courts are unwilling or unable to prosecute criminals when the UNSC refer case to. Yes, so it exercises jurisdiction when the national court are unwilling and unable to prosecute criminals, or when the UNSC or individual country refer their cases to ICC. So it apply their jurisdiction there. So option 3 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Option 3 is correct. That means option C is correct. Just check we are on the right path or not. So option C is correct. That means we are on the right path. So I hope you love this video, enjoy this video, and gain some perspective, some knowledge out of it. Okay. Remember few points related to Roman statute and war crimes, crimes like war crimes, genocide, and crime against humanity, its headquarter, as well as its jurisdiction. Okay, so namaskaram. Thank you.